Want to know your iPhone's real battery health? Not just the number Apple shows. Here's how to find the actual stats in under a minute. Like and subscribe for more hidden iPhone tips. First, open the Settings app. Tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. You'll see a percentage, but that's not a full picture. To go deeper, open Safari and search for iPhone battery shortcut, pay it forward. Tap the first result, scroll down and add the battery stats shortcut. Once added, go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, scroll down to Analytics and Improvements and then tap Analytics Data. Open the most recent file, tap the share icon and run it with the battery stats shortcut. Wait a few seconds and boom, you'll see your real battery health. That's it. Easy and accurate. Like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone secrets.